Takeoff.
Wow, I can't believe how quiet this is. This is our third flight today. It was really sunny this morning, but now it's kind of overcast. But we're going to take her up and do a little bit of filming and this morning, but now it's kind of overcast. All right, here we go. That obstacle avoidance is really, really good.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Okay, it has 30 meters. I wonder why altitude. What is going on with that? That is unusual. That is unusual. Okay, we're going to bring her down. We want to figure out why she has a maximum altitude of 30 meters. So we'll go into the menu. Well, maybe there's not enough satellites yet. Good morning. Isn't that something? Well, the Mini, the one that you seen that day was the Mini 2. Yeah, this is a new one. This has got, I did a nice flight down at the bay there. It has a zoom camera. From that park there, I zoomed into the CN Tower from the park. But right now I just took off. It doesn't look like I'm getting GPS, and I'm not sure why. I'm going to spin it around, because it would only give me an altitude of 30 meters, and I think that's because of not enough GPS signal. See, it was red, and now it's
The
okay.
home point has been updated.
All right.
Please check it on the
Well,
map.
it's flashing off and on. It's orange. Okay, now it looks like we have satellite.
You're not afraid of losing it?
Well, I'm always afraid of losing it. Let's see if we can get some height this time.
Oh my god. Look at it. Holy shit.
Okay, now she's getting height.
Yeah, she's going up. Oh, now it's just a teeny bug.
Yeah.